Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I really hope all of you are at home and safe. So let's get started with today's video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a face wash that I have been using for the past couple of weeks. So before I show you what face wash I am using, I want to give you a small disclaimer here. Whatever suits for my skin might not suit for your skin. So I would highly request you to watch the review and then only buy things, because my skin is dry, your skin may be oily or sensitive, depends. So definitely watch the complete video. Anything before you buy, you should definitely watch a review. Be sure that it is meant for your skin only, because suppose my skin is dry, a product will work on my skin. Doesn't mean if you have oily skin that same product can work that way on your skin. Rather, it can have a negative effect on your skin. So make sure to check out your skin type, then only order for products that's going to work great on your skin. Now it's time for the reveal. I'm using Deep Clarifying Face Wash by Body Cupid, and yes, this is a new face wash by them and it is an amazing product. I have been using this for the past 2 weeks and it is perfect for dry skin like mine. It has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for dry, and it's also amazing for anti-aging. Suppose you have crossed the age of 25, then you must use products that has anti-aging properties in it. Now let me give you a closer look of the Body Cupid Deep Clarifying Face Wash for dry and aging skin. Packaging: it is vegan product and it has no sulfate, paraben or silicone in it, and you get 100 ml of product in this one tube. The two main ingredients in this product is vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. As we all know, hyaluronic acid helps in keeping our skin hydrated, and vitamin E stops pollution-borne free radicals from aging our skin. So it is a great product to try out if you have dry and aging skin, and if you want glowing and younger looking skin, definitely go for it. You get 100 ml of product for rupees 299. And now let's have a look at the back of the packaging. And yes, you must go through the ingredients of any product that you purchase, and everything depends on your skin type. I have mentioned it before, I am mentioning it again. Yes, make sure that your skin is dry, otherwise you should not use it if you have oily or sensitive skin type. Here at the beginning there is written what benefits you are going to draw from these two main ingredients. Then there is how to use and all the key ingredients listed here. You can just have a look at the main ingredients that's present in this face wash, and then you can see that the price of this face wash is rupees 209 and the shelf life is 2 years, and there's a QR code as you can see at the side of it. You can just scan it whenever you purchase any product. This will give you the proof of authenticity that you have brought the correct product from the right place. And now let me show you the application. So I have wetted my face with clean hands. I am just going on with circular motions and then I'll wash my face. The face wash does have a very mild fragrance to it, but that doesn't stay on for really long after like washing. It just goes away. And now I'll wash my face, and as you can see, my skin looks very clear and bright and glowing, and I'm in love with the beautiful packaging. The best part about this face wash is that I immediately don't feel like hydrating or moisturizing my face after using this face wash, because this deeply cleans my face but doesn't make my skin dry at all. Instead of that, it hydrates my face. Also, I really like the glow that it instantly adds to my face. As I already told, you get 100 ml of product for rupees 299, but definitely there's always some discount going on. So I will leave the purchase links in the description below. Do check it out if you have dry skin and if you want something to include that has anti-aging properties in it, go for this face wash. And yes, another thing I must mention, I think I have shown you, but still for another time, there is a QR code right there. So you need to scan this if you want authentic products. Make sure that you get authentic products for yourself. The next time you purchase something, just scan this QR code to know this is an authentic product or not. So that's it for this video. I will be back with a new video very soon. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any queries regarding this product, and I will be back with a new video. So subscribe and hit on the bell icon. See you next time. Bye.